package. This is just my oils. This is literally all I have left. Just a little bit, so had to re-up. I use the Now Solutions oil. So I'm just gonna take one out. It's gonna be a pretty short video. I don't have that much to do, but I still wanted to upload something for tomorrow. So this is literally filmed on Monday, August 30th, and I'm gonna upload this tomorrow for you guys. I'm so glad this month is about to be over. This was the slowest month for me this year, business-wise. Sale-wise, this month was extremely slow for me. I'm happy that I made it through, but it was definitely very discouraging because I'm used to making a certain amount each month, and I didn't reach that this month, so it was very discouraging, and it had me pretty sad for a couple days, but I'm starting to get back to my normal self now, just because I know, like, you know, slow times do not last forever, and business will pick back up. This was just one of those months. Like, every month is not going to be a crazy amount of sales type of month. Some months will be slow, and that was this month. So hopefully September will be really, really good to me, and you know, I get a good amount of returning customers and also new customers, and everything just goes good. So yeah, I have one lip scrub order to complete. She ordered 4 cotton candy, 3 birthday cake, 3 bubble gum, 3 lemonade, 3 chocolate, 2 blueberry, and 2 strawberry. Then I also have a sample order to pack up and a retail order to pack up. So I'm gonna be doing that with you guys, and then tomorrow I'm gonna ship them off, and that'll be it. So I'm actually gonna make up all the lip scrubs off camera just so that it'll save time. I had washed these out earlier, like a few hours ago, so now they're just sitting here drying. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and start working. Alright, so I'm about to go ahead and pack this order up real quick.
Some testing side. Somebody that some people end up with serious injury.
This is going to a returning customer. She's probably ordered from me about like 7 or 8 times now. And before anybody asks if I did not buy these, I'm reusing these from a package that I ordered. I'm pretty sure you can just type in pink packing peanuts and it'll pop up. Because I know somebody gonna ask. People be asking the most simplest stuff. It'd be so funny. Like, bro, just use Google. Please, it's there. I promise you, you'll find it. So yeah, that's that. Now I'm just gonna put the packing slip in. And that's it. It is the next day now. I'm about to go ahead and pack up my retail order. So I'm gonna start with the sample orders. This is a mess right now. I'm gonna do a whole video decorating this, but for right now, this is how it looks. I just wanted to move stuff over here so that I can get it out of my living space. So yeah, it looks a mess, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the sample order. Tons of samples available. I just restocked them like what, a week or 2 weeks ago. Make sure you go check out that video, please. Thank you. And then I already took this out last night. Drawstring bag, the business card, bubble mailer. That I also need highlighter. I'm gonna take the scissors too. Okay, that's all we need. Y'all, I really do not understand people. I get so annoyed when people order and they do not take the time to read my shipping policy. It's always on the site. These orders were placed on Friday. It is now Tuesday. I do not process orders on the weekend. That is my time to rest and do whatever else I have to do. I processed the order that I had to process yesterday. And today is shipping day, which is Tuesday. I get an email, I wake up to an email from a customer saying, hey, I haven't got a tracking number. Bro, you haven't got a tracking number because your order hasn't shipped. Like, I'm not gonna scam you. Your order, you will receive your tracking number. I promise you. I'm gonna send your tracking number out. I promise. It's just so, I don't know, it's just so annoying to me because it's like, please read my shipping policy. Read my processing and shipping policy. Please. Please, please, please just take the time. This does not happen a lot, but when it happens, it just annoys me because it's like everything is there. My processing and shipping for my retail orders is there, and for wholesale. It's literally under every product, and then there's a page specifically for my processing and shipping. And then I still get these emails every once in a while. Oh, my order hasn't shipped. Well, have you read the policy? Like, did you take the time to read it, you know? But this customer ordered Millionaire, Go Getter, and Billionaire. Just 3 samples. These are the samples that she ordered: Millionaire, Go Getter, and Billionaire. It's just like, you know, I just want people to read before they do stuff. Like, it should be mandatory, like, that everyone reads the policy before they place their order. And if you you know, can't be patient, then do not order. Just don't. Let's say it's Monday and I'm shipping orders out the next day. I will either print your shipping label out Monday, or I will print it out on Tuesday, literally before I ship. So she received her tracking number late last night. And they're about to see their tracking numbers in a few minutes on shipping day. It's like, just give me time, please. I hate being rushed. Just please give me time. That's all I ask. I'm gonna get your order out. Please read the shipping policy. Please. See, all I have to do is print out the label and that'll be that. So I'm about to go ahead and get the other order together. So this customer ordered one of our signature tube glosses. As you can see, we have a lot in stock, so if you are interested, you can shop. I do have retail glosses available and also retail lip scrubs. I need to restock some of these lip scrubs actually. But yeah, so we're just gonna bring this over to my little work area. Okay, so y'all can kind of see. So she ordered from the original 6 collection. She got Simplicity, which is our clear gloss, and then she also got a birthday cake lip scrub. So this is Simplicity, beautiful clear gloss. And then this is our birthday cake lip scrub. So this might sound crazy, but I'm actually about to film a quick video for my Instagram of me packing this order up. So this will be it for her order. And then we just put the package slip in it. And that will be it. So we literally have all 3 orders ready to go. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next Tuesday.